Good, so we're almost at the end. We've made it through DMSB twice, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. So the last thing that we did is we brought down this 3, so now we're looking at 33. Now, if you look at our handy-dandy skip count chart over here, 12 goes into 33. I'd say 2 times, but not 3 times, because 3 times would be too big. So once again, 12 goes into 33 2 times. That's division. All right, so 12 times 2 is your multiplication, which is 24. And then we are going to subtract. All right, so 13 minus 4 is 9, which means that we need to bring something up. We cannot bring anything else down. Our remaining number is smaller than our divisor, so that of course means that it is the remainder. So 22 cartons, and we'd still need 9 more eggs. So how many cartons do we actually need to buy? If we bought 22 cartons, we'd be 9 eggs short, because we still need 9 more eggs to make 273 eggs. So how many cartons should we buy? We should buy 23 cartons, and then we'll have extra eggs just in case some broke or something like that. So that's called interpreting the remainder. On this problem, you did figure out that 22 cartons of eggs plus 9 extra eggs would be taking 273 eggs and dividing it into groups of 12. So you get 22 full groups of 12, and then you'd have 9 left over. And you can't just take 9 eggs out of a carton at the store and buy those 9 eggs. You have to buy the whole carton. So you would need 23 cartons of eggs to provide everybody with the eggs, because you need 273 eggs, which also was enough eggs for 546 people. So we had a lot of numbers by the end of this. It was 233 eggs, 546 people, 23 cartons of eggs. Remember, it's 23 because 22 is not going to be enough. All right. So, and then finally, I think they want you to try. Sometimes cartons of eggs come in 18. Haha. So they want you to try this. They want you to take the same number of eggs. I keep forgetting the number because it's late. Okay, so 273 eggs. Now this time, I want you to try and put it into groups of 18 per carton. You can do that same thing that we've been doing. 18 times 1 equals 18. 18 times 2 equals 36. 18 times 3. Remember, if you start to have trouble with like some of these in your head, remember we can do 10 times 3 is 30. 8 times 3 is 24. Add those together, and 18 times 3 is 54. All right, so there's some more tricks for you. Okay, so let's try long division. 18 goes into 2. 0 times, because it's 2 digits, and 2 is 1 digit. 18 times 0 is 0. Subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down. And now we're looking at 27. How many times does 18 go into 27? 1 time. And that's 18. All right, so 27 minus 18, we are going to borrow, and we get 17 minus 8, so that gives us 9. And then we're going to bring down the 3. All right, so here's, again, where it might get a little bit tricky. We can continue to skip count by 18s, but think about this. 18 times 10 is 180. So if 18 times 10 equals 180, I think 18 times 5 probably equals 90. Let's check it out. 5 times 8 is 40. So my 0 is down here, carry my 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. It is indeed 90. So 18 times 5 equals 90. So how many times can 18 go into 93? 5 times. Oh, I forgot to do DMSB the whole time last time. Sorry about that. Okay, now multiply. 18 times 5 is 90. We just did the math over here. So we multiplied. 93 minus 90 is 3. So we subtracted. And then we can't bring anything else down, so we're going to bring this to the top. Remainder 3. So once again, talking about interpreting the remainder, remember that if we got 15 cartons of 18 eggs each, we would still need 3 more eggs. So how many cartons would we actually need to get all the eggs so everybody gets an egg to do the egg toss? We'd need 16 cartons, because 15 will be 3 eggs short still, and you can't just steal 3 eggs from the store.